Hello everyone, welcome to Conexión Español. Bienvenidos a Conexión Español. In this new video, we talk about how to ask someone where he's from and how to express where you're from and your nationality. For this, we will review the verb ser in the present tense, and we'll also see the name of some English-speaking countries and their demonyms. So, enough introduction, let's go. Just like in English, we use the verb ser to ask someone where he's from. Where are you from? De dónde eres? So let's review the conjugation of this verb in present indicative. Yo soy, tú eres, usted es, él, ella es, nosotros, nosotras somos, vosotros, vosotras sois, ustedes son, ellos, ellas son, yo, ellos, ella, someone neutral. So, how do you ask people where they are from? We give you two options. De dónde eres, literally, where you're from. And this is the most widely used option. Or, de qué país eres tú, where país means country. That's like, from which country are you? And you answer, yo soy de Uruguay, in my case. We have already seen that the personal pronouns can be omitted, hence the brackets. Sometimes one asks directly for the nationality, because, for example, guesses where someone comes from are quite normal when people from Uruguay and Argentina run into each other abroad. We notice really quickly and ask, ¿Eres argentino? No, we actually don't ask that. In this video, you will find examples of el voceo, a linguistic phenomenon that if you ever visit Latin America, you will find in some countries. But let's forget that now. I suspect where someone comes from and I ask, ¿Eres argentino? Sí, soy argentino. So, summary, if I want to ask from which country someone is, or if I want to say from which country I am, I have to use the preposition de. De dónde eres? De qué país eres? But if I want to ask for the nationality, or if I want to express my nationality, I don't need to use any prepositions. ¿Eres argentino? Sí, soy argentino. By the way, adjectives in Spanish must coincide with the noun in gender and number, always. That's pretty different from English. In this video, you will find an explanation and examples. And last but not least, let's talk about the names of some English-speaking countries and their demonyms. I will only name the countries that come into my mind when I think where is English an official language, because I've looked this up on the internet and the list is too long. So if I name all, it would be too long and boring. In the description though, I leave a link to download a document with all the names of the countries in the world and their demonyms. So, England, you say Inglaterra, Inglés for men, Inglesa for women. Scotland, Escocia, Escocés, Escocesa. Ireland, Irlanda, Irlandés, Irlandesa. Northern Ireland, Irlanda del Norte. You can say Norirlandés and Norirlandesa, but normally a Spanish native speaker would say simply Irlandés e Irlandesa. Wales, Gales, Galés, Galesa. USA, Estados Unidos, estadounidense, both for men and women. Canada, Canadá, canadiense, both for men and women. Australia, Australia, australiano for men, australiana for women. New Zealand, Nueva Zelanda, neozelandés, neozelandesa. It was already too much, wasn't it? So that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll talk about job and professions. So we'll see some verbs and a lot of vocabulary. I hope that this video was useful. Thanks for watching and nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao.
now.